who don't like Patrick Star? Like, who don't like Patrick Star? Like, I mean, I'm just saying. Okay, so we're gonna do an unboxing of the Patrick Star Mac Me So Fleek. Let's see what it's hitting for. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Should we try this? Should we go for this? Should we do this? This is what we doing? I don't know if you guys can see, but this is a little makeup look. Okay, so everything is like wrapped in these little things. I don't know if it was really wrapped like that, but listen, this design, like, it's so cute and it's pink. Like, it's cute. Okay, let me calm down. Let me calm down or whatever. Okay, so I believe it comes with these 4 items. So let's see. This is the palette, the one palette that I picked, the Play With Me eyeshadow palette. And this is what it looks like. That blue is popping, honey. Yes. It's popping. You ain't about to be able to tell me nothing. Want to do some swatches? Let's do some swatches or whatever. Oh yes, it is very, very velvety, and bold, honey. Yes, darling. Let me tell you. This one is called In the Shadows, the blue. Let's do the fuchsia. This one isn't as velvety as the blue, but it's still velvety, if that makes sense. Yes, that one's a bit shimmery. And that one is Hickey. This one is a nude. Ooh, this is a cute lip color. This would be a cute lippy. It's very, very nudish looking. And let's go with the shimmer. This one is velvety. It's really nice. Yes, that is pretty. So these are the swatches from the Patrick Star Play With Me palette. Let's try. Now what's this? Because Take Me Home Powder Blush. I hope this is a cute blush. Please be a blush for dark skin. I don't know. I think, yeah, it's really cute. It's a blush for dark skin. I'm not like taking my time trying to figure out what it is because I don't like it. It's because I was trying to compare it to the e.l.f. blush palette that I already have, and I think I have one of these colors in there, like this darker color here. So I like it. I like it. I think it would be good for dark skin. I have not tried it on. We can try it on, but I already have on blush. I don't know if you can see it. Let's try something. Let's try this bottom one. Can you see it? You can see it. I mean, it looks just like the other one, the one I already have on. So I don't like to put a whole lot on, but I like to put a nice color where you can see it. You can see this. I think this is pretty. I think this is neutral. Let's try the top one. Well, I really can't see that. Now I look blushed up, like too much blush, but you get the picture. Did I get the picture right? Did I get the picture right? All right, so the blush is bomb, and it's called Take Me Home, and this is how it looks. It is bomb.com. Yes, honey. I need a little compact thing because, well, the one I got is bigger than this, and it has like 4 different blushes in it, so that'll definitely come in handy. And I got a little free tote bag that I can put it in. Okay. All right, on to the lipstick. I ain't got nothing on my lips right now. They're peeling too, so don't judge. This is Hey Boy Hey Retro Matte Lipstick. Hey boy, hey. All right, let me stop playing. Boy, stop playing. Yes, honey, yes. Yes, now on this light, it's kind of looking fuchsia, like on a more pinkish side, but it's purple. It's more purple than what it looked like on camera. I don't know. Let me see. Nah, that ain't gonna help. Let's try the lipstick or whatever. Would I wear? Yeah, like in the summertime. Something real bright. This is definitely a summertime lipstick. It may look like fallish on here on camera, but no. And my makeup is 4 hours old, so don't judge. I am very oily. I did something outside of my routine today that has me really oily, and I used this concealer that I usually don't use in the format that I used it in, so we're gonna cross that one off our list, girl. Okay, last but not least, we're gonna go with the Queen P. The Queen P lip gloss. Now tell me this don't remind you of some little kiddish roll-on lip gloss. I swear it do. But maybe it might pop. Want to try with the lipstick? Let's try with the lipstick. Oh, yes, girl. Yes, girl. Definitely not with this shirt, though. No. Let's try this with no lipstick. Okay, so let's try the Queen P lip gloss with no lipstick on. Okay, so for those of you who like lip gloss with the color tint in it to give you some color, a little pop of color, I think this will be good for you. I personally am not a fan of like lip glosses like this. I just kind of feel a little bit immature. Like, now MAC, I do have 2 of my favorite lip glosses by MAC that I do wear. Let's see if I can find them. I found one. So, okay, so if you don't want something that's so colorful like this one with so much pink in it, MAC has their Dazzle Glass lip glosses, and I get Baby Sparks. That's this one. See how much toned down it is? And when I put it on, it's so much more neutral. And then I get, oh, and then I also get, this one is an old one. I got a new one. I also get Extra Amps. So it's something similar to this one, but it's just not as bold. So it won't have this extra pink like pink tint on it. But I think this is a nice one. Like if an equal dupe, I guess you could say. But this one is a little bit more toned down than this one. And there you have it. That is our wrap up with our unboxing with the Patrick Star Miso Flake. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Bye.